Hey friends, Jeff here with RV Optimizer, and this weekend we're in Sedona, Arizona, about an hour and a half north of Phoenix. Great place to come in the summertime because it's cooler, and this particular campsite called Rancho Sedona is very well kept, well maintained, a lot of rules, but a very nice place. And I'm going to show you around here and some of the surrounding areas that are literally within walking distance from here, right through the main thoroughfare of Sedona, where you have shops and restaurants, all those cool things you have access to. You can literally walk there from this campsite. We tend to bring our electric bikes with us so that it makes it super easy to get around here in town. A lot of places you can hike. The Red Rock Canyons are beautiful all around us. Right now there's no leaves on the trees here in the park, so it looks a little sparse here. And you've got huge birds nesting above us. I'll show you some of those things as well. But if you're in the area, I do recommend it's a great place, and you really have to book way in advance. This place typically stays very, very full. With that said, let me show you around. Well, I hope you found this quick overview of Rancho Sedona RV Park in Sedona, Arizona helpful. If you're planning to come through this way, I would highly recommend staying here. It's a great little resort, and it's great that it's so close to a lot of things. So hopefully you find these helpful. If you do, please subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate that. And in the description link, you can see some specials that I have waiting for you. So until next time, happy camping.